Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to do classification of cryptography. So basically cryptography is being classified into two groups, that is symmetric key and asymmetric key. Now both these topics are very important. So what is symmetric key? Symmetric key is also called as private key and also called as secret key algorithm, and asymmetric key is called public key cryptographic algorithms. Now let us understand it in detail. First we will study what is symmetric key. Symmetric meaning same, right? So sender and receiver are using same keys for encryption and decryption. That is the simple example, or we can say that is the simple meaning of a symmetric key. You can take example of your lock and key. There is only one lock and there will be only one key for each lock. So that is an example of symmetric key. કે આપણા ઘરનું જે તાળું છે એની એક જ ચાવી હશે. So that can be an example of symmetric key. So let us see symmetric key in detail. So this is the diagram of symmetric key. Here plain text is being encrypted, and here you can see there is one key, that is for encryption and decryption they are using same key. Sender and receiver both are using same key for encryption and decryption. So in this cryptography, as we have seen in the above figure, same key is used by both sender and receiver. Sender uses this key for encryption algorithm to encrypt the data, and the receiver is using the same for decryption algorithm to decrypt the data. In it, key is shared between sender and receiver. This key will be shared between whom? The sender and the receiver. It is also called as private key or the secret key. And one example of this is data encryption standard, that is DES. So now what are the advantages? It takes less time to compare to public key cryptography, and the key is small. So now let us see with one example how symmetric key encryption is done. So see, now there is one user Alice and there is one another user, that is Bob. Now Alice is the sender and Bob is the receiver. Alice ne data send karvo છે Bob ne. So how Alice and Bob will communicate with each other using symmetric key encryption. So now Alice wants to send one document to Bob. So now how that will happen? See, now Alice and Bob, they both will agree upon a private key. So Alice અને Bob જે છે એ બે શું કરશે? સૌથી પહેલા એક પ્રાઇવેટ કી જનરેટ કરશે અને શેર કરશે. પછી એલિસ ને શું કરવું છે? એને બોબ ને ડોક્યુમેન્ટ સેન્ડ કરવું છે. તો એલિસ will encrypt the message. સેન્ડર સાઇડ શું થાય છે? એન્ક્રિપ્શન થાય છે. તો શું થશે? એલિસ જે છે એ સેન્ડર છે, તો એલિસ will encrypt the message with a private key and send to Bob. એમને જે પ્રાઇવેટ કી જનરેટ કરેલી છે બરાબર, એનાથી એલિસ શું કરશે? મેસેજને એન્ક્રિપ્ટ કરશે અને ઈ બોબને ડોક્યુમેન્ટ એન્ક્રિપ્ટ કરીને સેન્ડ કરશે. એમાં કયો કીનો યુઝ થશે? પ્રાઇવેટ કીનો યુઝ થશે. ધેન Bob receives the message and decrypts the message using same private key. જે પ્રાઇવેટ કી જનરેટ કરી છે એનો યુઝ કરીને બોબ શું કરશે? મેસેજને ડિક્રિપ્ટ કરશે. તો in this way symmetric key algorithm works. Like this way Alice and Bob will communicate with each other. Now you need to note one thing, okay, it is impossible to get the original message with the other private key. If the attackers are trying some another key, they will never get the original message because they require the same private key, right? Or without private key also they will never be able to crack the original message, that the encrypted message from the Alice will never be known to the attacker if they are using some another key or they are not using the key. Only this private key if they get, then and then only they will be able to encrypt or decrypt the data that is being sent by Alice and Bob. So this is symmetric key. So symmetric key meaning what? Same key. Same key is being used by the sender and the receiver to encrypt and decrypt the data in the network. So this is symmetric encryption. Thank you.